The US Himars systems are causing new headaches for Russian President Putin in addition to the existing ones related to the failed invasion of Ukraine. Russian president will now hold a cabinet meeting with senior officials amid concerns about Ukraine's high-mobility artillery rocket systems from the United States that Western officials claim hamper Moscow's war efforts. The rocket systems first arrived in Ukraine in June from the US and have been seen as crucial to helping Kyiv's forces repel the Russian military. The Russian state-backed TASS news agency reported on Monday that Putin will hold the cabinet meeting via video conference, with the main topics being the development of air transport and aircraft manufacturing. Deputy Prime Minister and Trade Minister Denis Manturov and Transport Minister Vitaly Savelyev will give presentations at the meeting. The Kremlin said a number of current issues will also be considered, without providing more details, but it is likely that a response to Himars will be broached at the meeting, according to TASS. Putin last met with top officials on July 15 when he held a meeting of Russia's Security Council. Western officials have touted the threat Himars poses to Moscow. American-made Himars can carry either 6 guided rockets with a range of around 40 miles or a single Army tactical missile system with a range of almost 200 miles. A senior U.S. defense official told reporters on Friday that Ukraine had used Himars to destroy more than 100 high-value Russian targets in recent weeks. The official said that among those targets were ammunition depots, long-range artillery positions, command posts, air defense sites, and radar and communications nodes. Retired U.S. Army General Mark Hertling called the Himars a game-changer on Saturday and said that Moscow's forces are now in dire shape. He said that Himars has a greater range, precision and accuracy than most of the weapons Ukraine is using to fight Russian forces. On Friday, the White House announced that an additional $270 million in security assistance would be sent to Ukraine, including 4 more Himars. That same day, Ukraine denied Russia's claim that it destroyed 4 Himars launchers. General Mark Milley, chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, said Ukraine's use of Himars was degrading Russia's capabilities. Earlier on Monday, the British Ministry of Defense said Russia is likely continuing to struggle to extract and repair thousands of Russian combat vehicles that have been damaged during the war in Ukraine. Putin invaded Ukraine on February 24 in what he called a special military operation against what he claimed was the eastward expansion of NATO and with an aim of denazifying Ukraine's leadership. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky is Jewish and has lost family in the Holocaust. Thousands of troops have died since the war began, while millions have been uprooted from their homes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.